Introducing the VERONES Mason Jars 8OZ, a set that includes 15 high-quality glass jars and silver lids. These jars are designed with your convenience in mind, making them perfect for a variety of uses. The 8 ounces VERONES glass jars are made with food-safe materials that meet certified safety standards. The thick glass is both durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring that your preserved and canned goods stay fresh for a long time. Each jar comes with a time-tested airtight sealing compound, providing a quality seal with each lid. You can confidently use these jars for preserving and canning, as they are safe for both the refrigerator and freezer. These versatile jars can be filled with jam, jelly, honey, or molasses one day, and then reused for other purposes like storing cream, green smoothies, canned fruits, or pickled vegetables on another day. The non-porous surface of glass prevents the absorption of food, germs, odors, or coloring, ensuring that your stored items stay fresh and uncontaminated. You can also use these jars for fermenting your kombucha SCOBY, storing kefir or sourdough starter, or for pickling sauerkraut. Additionally, they are great for DIY candle making. The jar capacity is 8 ounces, and the dimensions are 4 inches in height and 2.5 in diameter. These jars are freezer and dishwasher safe, making cleaning and storing a breeze. The BPA-free plastisol-lined silver lids add a touch of elegance to the overall look of the jars. With the VERONES Mason Jars 8OZ, you can refrigerate your preserved goods for up to 3 weeks and freeze them for up to 1 year. Whether you want to store homemade jams, pickles, or other goodies, these jars are designed to preserve freshness and flavor for an extended period. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Before purchasing, please check compatibility to ensure it will work with your outlets and voltage. Get your hands on the VERONES Mason Jars 8OZ, a reliable and stylish solution for all your canning and preserving needs. Order now and enjoy the benefits of durable, food-safe glass jars that will keep your homemade creations fresh for a long time. Product information. ASIN B07JNPZZQ9 Customer Reviews 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on 3,585 ratings. Best Sellers Rank Number 5959 in Kitchen and Dining. Date first available October 25, 2018.